This is my 5th day of being with Indonesian Thai people. We were together in the province of Lampang, and they invited me to join them in their journey going to another provinces. We passed by many provinces like Phetchabun, and I don't remember the other provinces where we passed by. Our point of destination is the province of Phetchabun, and we will be housed in the Blue Sky Resort located in the mountain, and visit a temple of a monastery of Buddhist monk. Stop over in this gasoline station. Every gasoline station you can find 7-Eleven and also the Amazon Cafe. This is my 5th day of being with this wonderful and happy people, the Thai and Indonesian people. Some are nuns, monks, and lay people. Religion should not exclude you, but be just life and connect to life. Explore the humanity that you are.